Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Snapchat filters are not working in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're facing the issue that your Snapchat filters are not working, so let's see how can you fix this issue. So the very first thing, you have to simply open your App Store, go for search and then search for Snapchat, and you just have to make sure that you haven't any pending updates for your Snapchat app. If you find just try to update your app, after updating, you have to go back and you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. Or you can also try to connect with a different stable and as long as network connection. Then you have to also make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. After that, go ahead to your Snapchat app and just check any lens if it's working or not. If you see that your Snapchat lenses are still not working, so tap on your profile option in the top left. Then tap on settings or the gear icon in the top right. Scroll down until you find the option of clear data. Select this option here. Then select clear cache. Then tap on clear to clear junk files with your Snapchat app. After that, just force close your Snapchat app from your recent apps. Then try to make a force restart with your iPhone. Now to do that, you have to quickly press on its volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you just have to unlock your phone. And here, you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixing your issue, so this is the only way. You just have to keep a long press on your Snapchat app, then tap on remove app, then tap on delete app, and then tap on delete. So it will completely delete or uninstall app from your iPhone or from your Android phone. So after deleting or uninstalling your app, you have to try to reinstall the app from your app store. And after reinstallation, your issue will be fixed. If there will be any bug or any malware with your Snapchat app, it will be fixed in this step and you'll not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.